Hey, I'm here today with my 2011 Audi A3 and I'm going to be changing the rear brake pads, and I thought I'd make a quick little video on how this is done, because the last time I changed the rear brake pads on this car, I ran into a little bit of trouble compressing the caliper, and what I found was I had to go and purchase a Caliper Windback kit. I'll just show you the Caliper Windback kit that I purchased. I purchased this kit off eBay for about 24 bucks. But the issue is you have to use the Caliper Windback kit in order to change the rear brake pads. So I'm going to run you through how to do that today. As you can see, I've chocked the front wheels, I've got the jack ready to go in the jack spot, and I'm about to take off the wheels. And the other thing I'll notice, I'll just show you, is I've got a syringe ready as I wind it back to empty the reservoir in case it gets a bit full. So as you can see here, I've taken the wheel off. Anyone that's attending this should be able to take a wheel off themselves, so I didn't want to show you that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the rear caliper off. You need to get a 15mm and a 13mm. Alright, so we'll start with the top one here. Get our 15 in there, get our 13. And they are tight. Alright, so that's got that one loose. This would be a lot easier if you had a ratchet spanner, but alas, I don't have one, so we just do it the hard way. Might just go down the bottom and get the bottom one started as well. Get the bottom one out as well. As you can see, that caliper's a bit tight, so just get a screwdriver and try to get it off with that. There we go. And as you can see, they've still got a bit of meat, but they're well and truly should be replaced. So now we need to get our trusty tool. As you can see here, we've got our windback tool, and we've actually, from the instruction manual, for this one kit, we've selected number 7, which is for the Audi A3 and Volkswagen Golfs and the like, and we use our windback tool. The other thing I'll note is we have, in the kit we've got a left-hand wind and a right-hand wind, and the Audi uses the right-hand wind tool. So simply insert the tool in. Need to give us a bit more space to get the tool in. Yep, that's it. So simply install and put the tool in like that, and then we wind that collar back so it's nice and snug. So I'll just bring this around and show you. So we simply install the tool, and as you can see, we wind the collar here out so the bracket's in there nice and snug. And then we simply start to rotate. There we go. Bit stiff to start with. There we go. Before I go too far, I'm going to go check the reservoir at the front, see how the reservoir is doing. All right, so fluid's come up a bit, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab that syringe, I'm going to syringe a bit of the fluid out. You can see there, I've taken a full syringe out there. of that fluid. All right, then we're going to keep winding that in. All right, now that's come in firm. So that's as far as it's going to go. So we'll take our tool off now. Just easier if we just thread that off like that. Make sure that boot's pushed all the way back nicely. And good to go. All right, now we've got our new brake pads here. As you can see, there's a lot more meat on these pads than was on the other ones. And then simply putting the caliper on is the opposite to when we took it off before. So you're going to need a 13 and a 15. I'm just going to get these bolts started to start with. All right, so they're all done up tight now. And we're pretty much good to go. Good to go, got a new set of brake pads on there. And chuck the wheel back on now, pack up the car and we'll take it for a test drive. But what I really wanted to show you in this video was how to use the Windback tool, which hopefully you've all seen. And if you're like me and you don't like paying $1,000 to have your rear brakes done, where you can buy a set of pads and a tool for less than $100 and spend less than an hour of your own time changing the rear brake pads, you know, you're good to go. Cheers.